CrAIg is TradesPanel's built-in AI assistant, designed to help you create quotes and upload purchase invoices quickly and accurately. To get started, click the CrAIg button at the top of your screen. Here you'll see all your existing chats and tasks. Each action you perform uses credits from your account, and CrAIg will always display how many before you begin. Let's start with how to create a quote. Click New AI Task at the bottom, then select Quote Tasks. You'll see 3 available options: create a new quote, edit an existing quote, or import a quote. Click Create New Quote, select the customer from the drop-down menu, and then choose the project address. In the instruction box, type detailed information about the work you're quoting for. For example, a 40 square metre rear extension with a pitched roof. The more detail you provide, the more accurate your quote will be. If you have relevant plans or documents, you can upload them as PDFs. Once ready, click Send to AI and wait a few minutes while CrAIg generates your quote. When it's ready, click Open Proposal. CrAIg will automatically name your quote based on your description, but you can change this title and set a valid until date. Scroll through the quote to review all the job and line items CrAIg has created. It's important to remember this is to be used a guideline and starting point to assist you with building a quote, not a final draft. It uses your saved day rates and presets to calculate labour, material, and plant costs. But you should always check these carefully, as some details may need manual adjustments, especially if you haven't set up any presets yet. You can add more items using Add Line Item, use Add Presets to pull in saved templates, or create new job items using Add New Quote Item. Once you're happy with everything, click Save Proposal, then Accept and Create. Quote at the top. Your quote is now stored in the system, and you can download it as a PDF, make further edits, or convert it into a job. If you'd like to see how to convert quotes into jobs, we recommend watching the dedicated video in the Guide section. Next, let's edit an existing quote. Click New AI Task, select Quote Tasks, and choose Edit Existing Quote. Pick the quote you'd like to change from the drop-down menu and describe exactly what you want CrAIg to update. For example, remove bathroom tiling. Click Start, and CrAIg will process your changes. Once complete, click Open Proposal, review the updates, then click Save Proposal, followed by Accept and Create Quote to finalize the edits. Your changes will now be saved to the system. The third option is Import Quote. This is useful when you already have a quote in PDF format and want to upload it directly into TradesPanel. Click New AI Task, select Quote Tasks, then choose Import Quote. Select the customer, upload your PDF, and click Send to AI. After processing, click Open Proposal to review the imported data. Check that all line items, quantities, and prices are correct, then click Save, followed by Accept and Create. Quote. Your imported quote will now appear in the system. Now that we've covered quotes, let's look at how CrAIg can help with purchase invoices. Head to the Purchase Invoice tab within CrAIg. Link the invoice to a job using the drop-down, then click Upload PDF to add your file or files. Once it's uploaded, click Analyze. CrAIg will scan your invoice and show you the credit cost before processing. If you're happy to continue, click Process Invoices. Once processing is complete, your invoice will open automatically. The total amount appears at the top. Start by selecting the supplier from the drop-down and confirming the invoice type. CrAIg will categorize it automatically, but you should double-check the details for accuracy. Review each line item carefully to ensure the correct products, quantities, and unit prices have been extracted. If anything's missing, you can add extra line items using the Add Line Item button. Next, assign the invoice items to a job item so the costs are reflected in your project's financial data. You can do this line by line using the drop-down and selecting the relevant job item, or assign them all at once using the Bulk Assign Job Item option in the blue bar. Once everything is correct, Click Approve and Create Invoice at the bottom. Your invoice is now created. Click View Invoice to open it, and it will also appear automatically in the Outgoings tab within your project's Finance section. If you'd like to learn more about managing outgoings, we have a dedicated walkthrough video available in the Guides section. You've now learned how to use CrAIg to create, edit, and import quotes, as well as process purchase invoices in TradesPanel. For further assistance and more detailed tutorials, visit the Quick Start Guide section in the navigation bar.